In this video, we're going to see how to show two profiles side by side like we have here in this window. So here I have basis weight and moisture both displayed. When I click on one profile, the crosshairs are synced up with the other profile, so I can compare and contrast what's happening with one variable to what's happening with another variable on the same sheet of product. Alright, let's see how to do this. So the first thing you'll need is ProfileView installed and connected to your Pi server. You'll also need to have two sets of tags that you want to compare and contrast. So here I've opened up a new profile, and I'll name my first one. I know this is going to be basis weight. And then I'll go to my Array tab, and I'll find the tags that I want to show in my first profile. So here, I see I have 60 tags. I'll select them. When I say OK, I get my first profile. Now if I want to add my second profile, I come up here, and now what I'm going to do is use the add buttons over here. So add, and I'm going to name my second profile moisture content. Again, I'll go to my Array tab, and I'll go find the tags that I want to show in my second profile. So here I know these are named MOI. There we go. I'll select 60 tags here. And when I say OK, I get my two profiles. So you can show them on top of each other. The crosshairs will still be synced up, or there's an option right here, the orientation option. If I select horizontal, they'll be shown side by side. All right. For some more detailed configurations, let's look at my pre-configured plot right here. So the scales at the bottom can be independently put in for each profile. So if I uncheck the control and the width on one of them, I'll see that it'll be removed off one but not the other. Some options are true for all of them. So the time scale and the time plot detail, if I change that for one, it'll change it for both profiles. One interesting option is that the number of actual tags you have in the arrays for each one doesn't need to be the same. In this case, right now I'm showing 60 moisture tags, but I could add some more. So let's say that I had twice as many sensors on my moisture side as I did on my basis weight side. I can go and select tags 61 through 120, add them to my array, and now when I say OK, I still see my crosshairs are synced up even though there's twice as many tags displayed in this profile as there are in this profile. You can see that down here at the bottom. You see that green bar, 1 through 60 on the left, and over here 1 through 120 on the right. Another thing you might want to see in showing multiple variables against each other is if you just want to see the snapshot of a number of different tags compared against each other. Here we have basis weight, moisture, and a caliper variable, and we're only showing the most recent scan across so that we can maybe see if there's patterns that are correlated between the three of them. Again, we can change the orientation to be vertical here, which might make it easier to compare across scans. Okay, in this video we showed how to show two different profiles in the same window. You can add more profiles if you want, and if you have a very wide display, you can add as many as will reasonably fit. Have a good time. Enjoy.